Hello grade 10s and welcome to another interesting mathematics lesson. Right now we are going to be dealing with arithmetic sequences. So this is the formula that we are going to be using. Tn is equal to a plus open bracket n minus 1 closed bracket d, where a is the first term t1 and d is t2 minus t1 or t3 minus t2, or just the current term minus the previous term. So this formula is on the information sheet, so just look at it. That's part 1 and it's modified from Siyavula. So I'm just going to give you guys some time to write that down. Okay, so number 1 states, calculate the general terms of the following sequences. 1.1, you have 85, then 96, then 107, then 118, right? So first you label your terms, T1, T2, T3, T4. So we are going to use the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Right? Don't forget a is T1, which is 85.
Okay.
Then don't forget d is T2 minus T1, which is 96 minus 85. So what is 96 minus 85? We get 11. Tn is equal to, our a is 85 plus n minus 1, d is 11. 85, n times 11 is positive 11n, negative 1 times 11 is minus 11. So the final answer is Tn is equal to 11n so it's 11n plus 74. So the 1.2, we are given the sequence negative 62 followed by negative 49 followed by negative 36 followed by negative 23. So, as usual, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. So you write your formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A is T1, which is negative 62. D is T2 minus T1, which is negative 49 minus negative 62. So for the overlap, which is 13, right? So it's going to be Tn is equal to negative 62 plus n minus 1 times 13. Negative 62, n times 13 is plus 13n, negative 1 times 13 is minus 13. So your final answer is Tn is equal to 13n, 62 minus 13. Plus 49. Oh, negative 62 minus 13, sorry. n minus 75. And then we have 1.3, where we are given the sequence 59, 42, 25, 8, and then negative 9. So you label them. This is going to be T1, this is going to be T2, this is going to be T3, and T4, and then T5. Write the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A is T1, which is 59. D is T2 minus T1, which is 42 minus 59. So D is negative 17. So we have Tn is equal to 59 plus n minus 1 negative 17. 59 n times negative 17 is minus 17n. Negative 1 times negative 17 is positive 17. So the final answer is Tn is equal to negative 17n. 59 plus 17. $76. So we have, that's the general term. Tn is equal to negative 17n plus 76. 1.4, the term that we are given is negative 96 followed by negative 115 followed by negative 134 followed by negative 153. So label them T1, T2, T3, T4. Formula as usual, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A is T1, which is negative 96. D is T2 minus T1, which is negative 115 minus negative 96. Negative 46. Oh, sorry. negative 19 rather. So Tn is equal to, what is A? Negative 96 plus n minus 1, negative 19. That's just so ugly. Let me just rewrite it again. Negative 96. N times negative 19 is negative 19n. Negative 1 times negative 19 is positive 19. So it's going to be negative 19n minus 77. Okay, then number 2, the question states, given the arithmetic sequence 99 followed by 119 followed by 139 and then others, right? So let's just label them. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. Roman numeral number 1 states, write down the values of the next 2 terms. So the next 2 terms we need T4 and then we need T5. So we first need to find the general rule, what you do to the previous term. So let's find the common difference, T2 minus T1. So it's going to be 119 minus 99. So you add 20 to the previous term, right? So it's going to be T4 is previous term, which is 139 plus 20, and we get 159. And then T5 is the previous term, which is 159 plus 20, which is 179. Roman numeral number 2 states, determine the nth term of the sequence. Nth term and general term, same thing. So it's going to be Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. Oh, sorry, we don't have A and we don't have D yet. My mistake. So A is T1, which is 99. D is T2 minus T1, which is 119 minus 99. So we get D is 20. So Tn is equal to A is 99 plus n minus 1, 20. Plus 20n minus 20. So the final answer is Tn is equal to 20n, 99 minus 20, plus 79. Roman numeral number 3 states, calculate the value of T10. So we have the formula, just going to use it. T10 is equal to 20 times 10 plus 79. So T10 279. Then Roman numeral number 4 asks, which term in the sequence will be equal to 379? So all we know is that Tn is equal to 379, right? You know that Tn is given by 20n plus 79. So going to be 20n plus 79 is equal to 379. And then we're going to solve for n. 20n is equal to 379 minus 79. 20n is equal to 379 minus 79 is 300. Then you divide both sides by 20. This goes. N is equal to, N is 15. Therefore, T 15 is equal to 379. You can use this formula to verify it. Number 3 states, given the arithmetic sequence, negative 59 followed by negative 38 followed by negative 17 and then others afterwards. So as usual, T1, T2, T3. 3.1 asks, calculate the general term of the sequence. So as usual, you write your formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, right? So a is T1, which is negative 59. D is T2 minus T1, which is negative 38 minus negative 59. So D is 21. So it's going to give Tn is equal to A is negative 59 plus n minus 1. D is 21. Negative 59. N times 21 is positive 21 and negative 1 times 21 is minus 21. Tn is equal to 21n minus 18. Hey students, that may have been hard, so just take a short break and then I'll be back with part 2.